And this recording is the solution of the last part, which I tried something in the mock other components. At the end, as you remember that I got it some errors in the test. So I tried that to ask in Trailhead this problem. I explained that, and I couldn't find any solution from any member, any friend, but just a couple of hours, I found some solutions. It's definitely not easy. I tried some of them some days. After 5 days, I found this solution. What was the problem? Let's read it again. Test suite failed to run, configuration error, and couldn't locate module C display panel mapped as. The problem was like that. Did you remember? And after then, I read some of them. I tried some solution steps. The interesting thing is the other test files, wire, LDS, and unit test, and the other thing, they are passing the test, but the last one, other components, I couldn't pass it. But now I passed successfully. The solution also inside of here under this problem, I added solutions in steps of 6. Okay, after 6 steps you can find the solution. So what I did, okay, let me go to mock other components. Okay, at the end we should find the solution as a pass successfully. And if I go there, the first thing, let me show to you button JS and HTML component, display panel component, and actually there's a problem, I think, but I don't know what's the problem. So this the X name problem here. Okay, no, maybe under the standard it's showing that. But the test passed. So this component, and the other one is the actual problem is here, other component test. Step by step I explained here. Let me show to you. The first thing is I created .eslintRC.json file under the main root, and it was not included inside of the default VS Code, and I added these codes too. And the next, where is this? Okay, let me show to you this one. Inside of under the main root, you should create here. Okay, how did you create? From there, just right click. Nope, not here, I think. Let me find it here. Yeah, new file, and you can create .eslintRC.json. So after creating that, what I did, okay, I installed ESL int extension. It's very easy, you know that, I think, how we can install it from the extension part, ESL. When you search it, ESL int, you can see from here. Just install it. So the next one, let me delete and find. The next step is I faced some experimental decorator error as a problem, and as a solution, I enabled that the experimental decorators in settings. So what was that? We are going here in the settings, and if you type experimental decorator, yeah, that was not active, but I made it the active here, and it's saving automatically, I think. And what was the next solution step? I created jsconfig.json. Normally, I assumed that that was in our file, but unfortunately, that was not included inside of the VS Code. And after creating that, the same way, like ESL int rc.json, the same way we are creating our jsconfig.json. And actually, the main part is include and exclude here. And JS extension, whatever you have, and it will include it inside, and exclude node modules, you have to add it. And where is this? JS config, let's go there. JS config is here, and I added include and exclude. So the next one, yeah, I added other components component and path into the module name mapper of the jest config JS. So, and what was that? The line here, normally the three of them, Trailhead, it's saying that you should copy and paste or type that. The last one, it's not mentioning. I passed it. Maybe it's some of the steps are not necessary, but I tried that. Every step I found some different errors and solutions. Maybe some of them I passed it. And these other components in the module name mapper, just the root is a little bit different, because in the, for example, lightning button and the thunder hammer button and see display panel, these are inside of the Force app main default and the test folder inside of the jest mocks. But this other component is inside of the LWC and other components folder. So let me show to you in Force app. As you see here, other components are here, but the others see display panel like this part, and lightning like button, and thunder hammer button. These are inside of test and just mocks folders. So what I did, let's check it again. I passed it. I typed that, actually not passed. I typed that inside of this jest config JS. And where's the jest config JS? Let's check it here. If you click that, you can find from here. This is also under the main roots, okay? So I typed that here, the path. So the other thing, actually the last and the very easy part, I didn't assume it will be solved with that. Just I removed that the document body append child element code line inside of the other component test JS. So where is this? Let's go there. Other components test file here. Actually, that was before like that. Document body append child element. Let's try. Just I will do it with the wrong way to show it. How we can run the test npm run test unit. Just copy that. Okay, we are going here, and terminal. Let's say new terminal. The other terminals are here, and just copy and enter. If it gives some errors, yeah, as you see here, one failed. After the previous steps, I came to this today. It is giving the error here. It's not valid component or doesn't extend lightning and LWC. I tried many ways. It's saying that you probably forgot to add the extend clause on the class declaration. So I don't know how, but just I tried that to make a comment, and just passed the test command here, again, enter. Let's see. Yeah, as you see, the other component test also passed. Yep. Okay, that's it. There's no anything more. and we found a way.